The picot stitch is a very beautiful stitch for borders, for border blankets, for crochet garments, and it has very many different variations. We are going to do a few of them in this video. We are going to start by making what you can call the classic picot stitch. It's just made by chains and slip stitches. Like we've attached our yarn. You can chain any number, 3, 4, go back to the same loop and slip stitch. Go to the next slip stitch, chain 1, 2, 3, 4 in the same loop and slip stitch. Go to the next one. You can keep doing this around all your border. It creates a beautiful pattern, or you can space them up as you like. I can slip stitch after the picot, then I go to the next space, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I make the picot there. Slip stitch in the next one, slip stitch and make the picot. You see how easy it is and how it creates a beautiful pattern. So this is just the picot stitch alone, but you can make the picot stitch in addition to any other stitch, in addition to the single crochet stitch, in addition to the double crochet stitch, in addition to the shell stitch, and each of them makes a different variation. For example, if I'm going to make the single crochet picot stitch, I make a single crochet, then make the picot of the number of chains I want, slip stitch. Go ahead to make a single crochet in the next one, and then slip stitch, and then slip stitch at the bottom, single crochet, make a chain, then go to the bottom of the chain and slip stitch. Still, even with this, you can space them up. Like you can, after the picot, you can choose to make a single crochet and then you make a picot in the next one, depending on what you want, or what your preference can be. So you can do this for the double crochet, for the treble crochet, and for different stitches.